Welcome to BuildingsOne video series. Observing American flag protocol promotes a sense of pride and patriotism for your facility's employees, tenants, and visitors. Compliance with general display, flying at half staff, lighting, and other procedures exhibits our respect and what the American flag represents. This video will provide insight into American flag customs in support of U.S. flag code requirements. The American flag is customarily displayed at corporate facilities and investment properties with specific requirements at government-owned and leased facilities. The blue field incorporating 50 stars representing the United States is referred to as the Union. The flagpole, whether in the ground or attached to a building, is generally referred to as a flag staff. When describing the position of the flag, relative to its position with other flags, the word right denotes the flag's own right, in other words, facing the audience, which means the viewer's left. When displayed with another flag, the American flag should be positioned to the viewer's left, the flag's own right. The same applies when our nation's flag is flown on a staff with one other flag on an adjacent staff. The American flag is positioned to the viewer's left and always at an equal or highest point. When displayed either horizontally or vertically against a wall or building, the Union should be uppermost and to the viewer's left. The same would apply when the flag is displayed in a window, so that observers outside of the building would view the flag with the Union at the top left portion of the flag. When different flags are flown on multiple adjacent staffs of different heights, the American flag is flown at the center and at the highest point in the grouping. When the American flag is flown on the same staff with another flag of states, cities, or localities, it should always be at the peak. When our nation's flag is displayed in a manner other than from a staff, it should be displayed flat, whether indoors or out. When outdoors, the American flag should be displayed only in daylight conditions from sunrise to sunset, unless properly lighted. By formal proclamation, only the President and state governors can direct the American flag to be flown at half staff. Facilities managers can subscribe for automatic email notification at www.halfstaff.org. The flag should be flown at half staff on Memorial Day from sunrise to noon, then raised to full staff until sunset. It is also flown at half staff on Patriot Day, September 11th. The American flag is always raised to the top of the flagpole quickly and lowered slowly and respectfully. When flying the American flag at half staff, first raise it quickly to the top of the flagpole for a moment, and then lower it slowly to the midpoint. When taking the flag down for the night, quickly raise it to the top of the flagpole again, then slowly lower it for folding and storing. When the American flag is flown at half staff, state and other flags should be removed or also flown at half staff. For flags that can't be lowered, attaching a black ribbon or streamer the same length as the flag to the top of the flag is an acceptable measure. The flag should be clean, repaired or replaced when torn, should not touch the ground, and should be folded and stored tidily when not displayed. This is performed by first folding the flag lengthwise 2 times, then folding the flag into a triangle shape so that only the Union is shown. The most dignified way to retire a worn American flag is by folding the flag, followed by ceremonial burning and burying the ashes. Groups that can assist facilities professionals include your local American Legion, VFW, or Boy Scouts of America. Over the years, flag material has changed from cloth to synthetic. Proper shredding and burial, or recycling, is an acceptable method performed by organizations qualified to provide this service. The American flag should never have anything attached to it or marked on it, should never be used for advertising purposes, and should never be used as clothing, drapery, to cover furniture, or for any decoration in general. When we honor our flag, we honor what we stand for as a nation: freedom, equality, justice, and hope. On behalf of BuildingsOne, thank you for your interest in this video and your commitment to excellence in the facilities profession.